These may look like they do the same job, but they do not, and this is why your sandwich forms are very inconsistent. I have 3 very completely different sandwich duo forms here. Let's dive and see the difference. I am Radina Ignatova, a professional nail expert and educator online, founder and owner of Artistic Touch Nail Training Academy. I have taken out 3 completely different sandwich duo forms out of their boxes. So the coffin came out of the pink box, this one, the round one, came out the small Mr. Nail box, and the almond came from the big Mr. Nail box. And I will speak a little bit more about each brand later on into the video. So let's have a proper look. And to you, they might look like they're going to do the same job, and you may think that they're suitable for all nail types as well. But this is not how the sandwich system works. So this one here, it's more flat, as you can see, and let's compare it to the almond. Let's have a look. Let's have a look side by side. So both of them have already built-in structure, but this is more arched compared to this one. And let's have a look from the C-curve side. So as you can see, this one is more flatter than this one. This looks more like a tunnel, we can see from the front. Unfortunately, this one has the front handle thing, so we cannot see very well, but you get the point. This one looks more arched compared to the other one, is more flatter. When you use them incorrectly, for instance, let's say the almond one, if you use it on very flat nail beds, on very flat nail plates, you may create pressure lifting, or it might even start popping off. And let's say that the coffin one, it looks simple to you, it's still arched, but it's slightly flatter than this one. So with this one, if you use it incorrectly, you might have problems with the side walls. So this form, it's not designed to fit all nail types, as all of the rest as well. So with this one, I particularly have problems with the side walls. This does not fit my nails, and I do not have enough product here onto these bits, onto the side walls. So my nail type cannot have this type of sandwich duo form. So we understood that these do not fit all nail types, and when you use incorrectly, they might compress, they might push the product, and some can create tension at the side walls like this one does onto my nails, and that changes the entire structure. So you should not choose the forms by shape, you should choose them by matching the natural nail. If you have a flatter nail, flatter form. If you have an arched nail, then you may select one of these. These are one of the biggest misunderstanding about sandwich and dual form systems. When you do not know which one to choose by the nail type accordingly. Once you understand this, the sandwich system becomes predictable, and you start going to creating consistent results. And this is exactly why I teach in my sandwich course, a sandwich duo form course online. If you understand the sandwich, if you understand the basics of the sandwich duo form systems, everything is going to become consistent in your jobs.